Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty good pump and dump really today on all the dollar pairs. Big push down after a pretty big push up. Important thing for me to see is that this has not broken structure to the downside. But to me, this is definitely 5 waves up, even though it's kind of odd looking because the wave 3 is smaller than the wave 5. And we do have CPI inflation coming out tomorrow for the US dollar, which is a very big news event. Now, what I actually hope happens is I hope this actually does drift down and it does break structure prior to tomorrow's news. Because if that's the case, then I would say that tomorrow's news is going to cause this to continue the uptrend, and that would help confirm that this really is a 1, a 2, and a big wave 3 on the much higher time frames. But as of now, it's definitely going down, and I would expect to see at least one more sword out of this, probably for a wave C, or possibly if it just keeps on going, it could even be a wave 3. Either scenario, I'm definitely going to want to reevaluate this right before the news to see what is most likely to happen. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.